Continuous planning is a framework for faster, smarter, more agile financial planning and decision-making in a business. It recognizes that business is continuous, and therefore planning and decision-making should be continuous too. The antiquated idea that planning is something a business only does once a year will increasingly spell disaster for many businesses in the future, because change is becoming the norm. Business advantage, especially in the world we are living in today, comes from being nimble, agile, and smart with resources. Business leaders need to be able to respond to changing conditions at a moment's notice, faster than competitors, in order to capitalize on new opportunities, protect against threats, and take the lead in their markets. To do that, they need the ability to make fast, agile, and confident decisions all the time, regularly course-correcting the business. Let's unpack what continuous planning means more specifically. We think about continuous planning in terms of three key elements: compressing cycle times in every corner of the business in a connected and collaborative way. Planful works with your company's data, allowing you to plan the way your business needs to plan and break down silos across finance and your organization. This easy-to-implement solution will enable you to seamlessly plan and collaborate across your business. Let's take a deep dive into the planning process with Planful. We'll take a look at how I, as the budget owner for sales, would work within the platform. From my task manager, I'm able to easily navigate to where my input is needed within the application. Planning is like the nuts and bolts of the finance budget. It's made of things like OPEX, your workforce planning, CAPEX, all of which are common across all companies and industries, plus the more operational models that let you run your business your way. What could normally take months to complete, Planful customers are seeing these cycle times compressed by upwards of 80%. Templates are created once and shared via the application. There's no need for multiple versions, as centralized security ensures users only interact with the data relevant to them. Successful adoption is directly tied to the ease of use and intuitiveness of the platform. Pre-built, out-of-box templates are available for those nuts and bolts type processes that I mentioned. Planful offers a simple user interface and a natural experience. It's the way you commonly look at this type of planning, with the familiarity of Excel. Our customers have nothing new to learn. No complex coding is required, both as a user making inputs or as an administrator setting up any calculations within the templates. Now, here I have a headcount driver, which is flowing in from our workforce plan. Notice that it's just a value in the database. There are no manual links, just confidence in your numbers. Planful users require flexibility, and we meet those needs. Behind our professional fees, we provide a breakout of these expenses. These specifics are captured in the system, not in disconnected spreadsheets, making life easier for whoever will be reviewing them down the road. Continuing with providing the thought process behind the numbers, I can also add any comments or attachments to supplement my plan. I can collaborate and communicate directly inside the system. The true value here continues throughout the year. From our variance reports, I'm able to drill down to the details, whether it be to the transactions for the actuals or the common sublines of the plan. All this in a platform that gives me confidence in my numbers as they dynamically aggregate across the business. Planful also extends its reach across the organization. Different functions are able to leverage the drivers and the specific layouts that are relevant to them. Here I have a unit forecast where I can plan by customer, by product, whether I want to make inputs by month where I can again interact in a natural setting with dynamic models, calculating all summary information as we see below, or perhaps all products across all customers need to be set to 325,000. Powerful modeling capabilities in Planful make this all extremely simple. I'm able to work top-down and apply a variety of spread methods. The modeling engine will now update the units down to the customer and product level, all in seconds rather than days of error-prone number crunching. Whether I'm a user who prefers the web or I'm familiar with Excel, Planful brings a best-of-both-worlds approach. Everything is connected to the same database. As I refresh, all of my values flow through, but I have the ability to make inputs and top-down adjustments. Adoption equals success. Give your users a choice. There's no need to force them into a box. Customers are seeing incredible value and are up and running in as little as 20 days.